O'Reilly Concrete manufacture pre-stressed wall panels. The advantages of these panels are fast installation, no foundation required, they're durable, removable, a strength of 50 Newton and cost effective. Take a look at the strength of the pre-stressed wall panel in a farmyard situation. The tractor hits the wall panel at full force. There's no cracking on impact, unlike a block wall. There is only superficial damage to the wall panel. The panels come in a range of sizes: 95mm, 150mm and 180mm. Pre-stressed wall panels by O'Reilly Concrete are durable, efficient and install quickly. O'Reilly Concrete pre-stressed wall panels. Fast, efficient and durable. Designed for the modern farmer.